Summit's Project Money is much more than a competition. It is really a financial education program. When people take control of their finances, it can help so many aspects of their life. When you learn more about how to manage money, you've learned a lifelong skill. It impacts almost every aspect of your life, and it's empowering. So whatever you do, whatever money you make, whatever job you have, learning to manage that effectively is going to be what makes you successful in the end.
People have benefited from reading the blogs, watching the videos, and just sharing in the experience of Project Money. People come into our branches every day and say, I want help like your Project Money program does, and we can do that for people.
When I started Project Money, I was someone that was an impulsive buyer, confused my needs and my wants. After Project Money, I am a person that knows the difference between needs and wants and can walk away from a good buy. Even if it's something that I really want, I know that it's not something that I necessarily need.
Looking back when I met Robin and Mike, they were definitely motivated, looking for direction.
Actually, I felt like I was a failure because we just never had a handle on our finances. I feel like I'm a fairly smart person, but I had to admit that, I didn't know what I was doing when it came to money.
Project Money literally changed our lives. It changed all of our habits, all of our spending habits, all of our philosophies about living.
The whole family really took Project Money to heart. Robin and Mike's daughters, rather than going out and buying him a store-bought present for his birthday, they took the time to record, write, and produce their own birthday song for him.
I was so proud of them for coming up with an idea that didn't cost them any money. It just was their time and their creativity.
As we were saving, it seemed like the dreams that were so unattainable before became more of a reality.
We are currently saving money to build a house out in Barneveld.
It became not just a pipe dream, it became an attainable dream. Walking the hills is just always this magical experience. The view from our house would be down into 40-acre valley and then Blue Mountains in the distance. It's breathtaking. Anybody can have a dream of that magnitude and you can achieve it. And ours is right around the corner.
My dream when I started Project Money was to get out of debt, save money, and buy a house, and it came true.
It is possible. I think so many people just see that big number of debt, and it's like, again, where do I start?
I felt sorry for myself, so I wanted to shop. And so that was, and I wanted to go out to eat because it was fun. But then it causes a financial disaster.
When Penny decided on what her plan was, it was, okay, so we're gonna work on this credit card. We're gonna pay off this credit card debt, but at the same time, we're gonna put $10 into savings.
It felt like I got a raise when I went on the budget because I had extra money paying off bills.
Project Money is an example of what we do every day with our members.
Looking back at my Project Money experience, I see myself growing as a person, saving, which I never thought I could do, and it's worked out great. My story is reaching a national audience. Women's Day even covered it.
For so long, money has been such a taboo subject. And I think Project Money has really opened up the conversation about money in the community and helped so many people along the way.
I've had the opportunity to see people change, to be able to find solutions for their financial problems, to be able to save more, reduce debt, be comfortable. It can be very awe-inspiring.
It's not how much money you make, it's how much you save, and you can't spend your way to wealth. So understanding that and putting in a plan that works for you will make you that millionaire next door. And that just builds stronger communities, it builds stronger neighbors, and it helps everyone.